Meaning of dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is a celestial body that shares many features with a planet, such as orbiting the Sun and having sufficient mass to assume a nearly round shape. However, it has not cleared its orbit of other debris, which is a defining characteristic of a traditional planet. There are currently 5 recognized dwarf planets in our solar system: Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. They are important to study because they can offer insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system and beyond.